Hi everybody, this is Zainab Abbas, and normally I'm in front of the camera to talk about sports and cricket. But today I'm here to talk about this wonderful new phone, the OPPO F5 6GB. I was there at the launch event, which was very well organized, and I'm very excited to talk about this new phone. So I'm going to run through the contents, I'm going to run through what it's all about and take you through it. As you can see, the box itself is quite compact. Let's open it up. You've got the phone, which I will be opening in a bit, but let's have a look at the box. It's got the usual, it's got the charger, it's got the headphones, the USB wire, but more importantly, it's got this wonderful silicone case, which is there for protection. Somebody like me who drops the phone a lot, you need a case like that. And like I was talking about how it's transparent. So the beauty of the phone is not compromised because of that. So that's one thing that is appealing to me, at least, that the phone should look good as well. And let's have a look at this phone. It's been really nicely wrapped, I must say. It's so delicate that even opening it I'm a bit apprehensive. But look at this phone. So again, it has a very sleek design. I'm just going to take this off and keep it here for now. The feel is wonderful. You know, when you hold a phone, it should feel very soft and something which is not too heavy. So that's one thing that I really like. And talking about, let's have a look at the phone itself. So it's got the full screen. Again, somebody like me who loves to have a look at exactly what she's doing and have a look at what she's typing. So for example, if you're using WhatsApp or whatever, you need the full screen over there. And not to forget, the one thing which is very close to me, which I'm known for actually, is the selfie camera. So I'm going to go and have a look at the camera. It's got the 20 megapixel AI beauty feature, which I'm sure that all of you are going to love. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a few pictures and we're going to see the results as well. So my favorite pose. Now when you look at the results, you can see that it has a very flawless look, which is something that we're all looking for. So I can keep going on and talk about this phone and its wonderful features, but I do think that you should check it out yourself. However, we do have a surprise for you in store today. You see the black? We've also got it in red. Yes, and I am wearing red. As you can see, it's matching very well with what I'm wearing. But I think that you guys should go yourself and check it out, whatever color you like, and explore the phone yourself. So let's have a recap of what we've seen so far. The phone itself comes in two colors, red and black. And the box, as you can see, it's got the charger, the headphones, as well as the USB cable, along with the silicone case, which is transparent, as you can see. So it actually doesn't compromise on the beauty of the phone itself. Now, looking at the phone itself, you can see that it's got a full display, which is fantastic for users like me or people who want to see everything that they're typing or looking into the phone. Then the face recognition feature. So it's got a very smooth interface. As you can see, if you click onto any of the applications, let's say Facebook, you can log on and log out very quickly. It doesn't take time. And of course, the 20 megapixel camera with the AI beauty feature. If you turn it around, you've got the fingerprint sensors as well as the 16 megapixel back camera. Overall, it's a completely features-packed phone, and you get great value for money because it's only 39,899 rupees. So the good news is that if you purchase this phone right now, you get 6GB free data bundle from Zong, as well as unlimited access to iFlix for 3 months.